everybody. So today in this video we're going to be talking about Sonuvita before you guys come to buy this product, alright? I have some really important things to share with you. I have some really important alerts that you should know. All these things I'm going to be sharing with you just so you do not regret your purchase afterwards and so that you get to know so much more about Sonuvita that not many people are telling you, alright? So let me begin by telling you this, that Sonuvita is only sold on the official website. I am going to copy and paste that official website and I'm going to leave it below in the description box for you guys to check out that link afterwards, alright? Just remember that if you want to get Sonuvita, the only place to get the original Sonuvita from is on their official website, alright? So, the Sonuvita is an innovative and unique supplement, a completely natural and simple solution that allows you to increase the volume to 100% in your ears. Look at that. So this solution not only restores your hearing, but also eliminates the ringing in your head. You know that sometimes we have that really annoying ringing. It also helps you regain your energy and productivity, while protecting you against brain diseases such as memory loss, dementia, and other dangerous brain disorders, everybody. And it doesn't matter if your hearing is at 70%, 60%, or even 20% of what it used to be. No matter if you live with hearing loss for weeks or decades, and it doesn't matter if your current medical condition is really bad hearing. So Sonuvita is the simple natural formula that will do the hearing restoration process, alright? Allowing the body's immune system to destroy the chickenpox inflammation that is killing your ears and deteriorating your hearing while shutting down the virus. Ultimately, this supplement resets your auditory cortex ears and restores your hearing to perfect volume again. So this formula is 100% natural, it's non-invasive and helps remove ear inflammations and restore your ear tissues and cells so you can easily and effortlessly break free from hearing loss, alright? The Sonuvita comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So within 60 days of taking it, if you simply don't want to take it anymore, you can ask for a refund and the support team will help you get all of your refund back. Something you should know is that once you start doing the treatment, be very strict about it and take it every single day without interruptions so you can use up all of its benefits and really restore your hearing again. Alright? People, if you want to know more about Sonuvita, I suggest you check out their official website. They have every single information detailed over there that you would like to know. And also you can read people's feedbacks over there. Alright? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.